Hello everyone, welcome back to Be Technical. In this tutorial we will learn how to implement Bootstrap cards. Let's get started. B. Technical. A card is a flexible and extensible content container. It includes options for headers and footers, a wide variety of content, contextual background colors, and powerful display options. If you're familiar with Bootstrap 3, cards replace our old panels, wells, and thumbnails. Similar functionality to those components is available as modifier classes for cards. This is how a basic card looks like. Cards include various options for customizing their backgrounds, borders, and color. In addition to styling the content within cards, Bootstrap includes a few options for laying out series of cards. Use card groups to render cards as a single, attached element with equal width and height columns. Card groups use display, flex, to achieve their uniform sizing. Cards are built with as little markup and styles as possible but still manage to deliver a bunch of control and customization. Built with Flexbox, they offer easy alignment and mix well with other Bootstrap components. Cards have no top, left, and right margins by default, so use spacing utilities as needed. They have no fixed width to start, so they'll fill the full width of its parent. The card group class is similar to card deck, which creates an equal height and width grid of cards. However, the card group class removes left and right margins between each card. Wow! These cards look great. So guys, that's it for now. If you like this video, do subscribe my channel.